The Salton Sea is the largest lake in California. But this lake is really basically unusable ever since they stopped the water from the Colorado River coming here. Colorado River was dammed off with Hoover Dam, as you may well know, which stopped the water from any longer coming here. So now the Salton Sea is fed by the Alamo rivers and New Whitewater, together with creeks and drainage systems and agricultural runoff. The key about this lake is it's not drinkable at this point. The salinity in the lake is 56 grams per liter, making it greater than the water in the Pacific Ocean. The second largest lake in California, which is actually the state line between Nevada and California, you can see splits between there, but it's in a bowl in the Sierra Nevada mountain range. It's pretty much unusable to anywhere without a huge piping deal to get it outside of this area, because it sits down at the about 6,000 foot, 6,500 foot range elevation. And the surprising thing about this lake is it's 1,645 feet deep. It's the second deepest lake in the US after Crater Lake in Oregon. Now this is Goose Lake. It's said to be the third largest lake in California, and as you can see, it straddles the border of Oregon and California. And its primary use is for all the agriculture that you see around it, and part of it's in the national forest. And I guess the reason I'm showing you these top 5 lakes in size in California is because they're mostly unusable to domestic use, I should say. Now, the fourth largest lake in California is Mono Lake, and this lays on the east side of the Sierra Nevada mountain range, fairly high elevation. It has no exit point where the water can get out. It also sits in a bowl, which causes it to be one of the most alkaline lakes around. It has an accumulation of high levels of salt, and the high levels of salt make Mono Lake water alkaline. Mono Lake has a unique ecosystem which brine shrimp can prosper in its waters, and it also provides habitat for about 2 million annual migratory birds. Now, it gets a lot of snow here, so obviously that's why they're saying migratory. I read somewhere what it said the alkalinity was, and I believe it's something like that of the Salton Sea, making it unusable as well. Now, number 5 on the list is Honey Lake, and it's located in the northeastern region of California in Lassen County. Now, this lake, during the summer months, reduces down to where it's only got about 3,000 acres. It's very shallow, so obviously it's going to be another alkaline lake. So what I'm really showing you is in the top 5 in size in California. Only one of them is a drinking water lake, and that would be Lake Tahoe. So to get water from there, I think would be quite a feat to take it over the Sierra Nevada mountain range to use it other than in the basin where it's at. I wasn't able to find anything that goes out of Lake Tahoe into California. Apparently there's supposed to be a small little diversion that goes down one of the rivers, I can't remember the name, into a small lake near Highway 50. I wasn't able to follow that or find it. I was able to follow where the Truckee River comes out and goes into Truckee and then on down into the Reno area and then on into Pyramid Lake. So Apparently there is discussion about doing something to get water to go from Lake Tahoe into the Sacramento Valley. So that remains to be seen. I couldn't find anything that said that was the case. Okay, thanks for watching. Please, if you like this content, mash the like and subscribe. And by the way, I'm showing you these 5 lakes because my intention is to go now, because of the water crisis in California, and try to identify the next lakes that are actual usable drinking water lakes or irrigation lakes, to share those with you. And my hopes are to be able to drive to them and do some videos. Thank you.